Okay, hello guys, it's Tyrus once again, and now I'll show you the finished product of my Eastern Newt. In my Florida Soft Shell, Eastern Spadefoot toads are not fully, or their tanks are not, or setups are not fully done yet, but I'll show you two anyway. But first is the finished product of my Eastern Newt, and then here it is as filter, small bridge with some gravel, this little log. Right now they're in their aquatic stage, so that's why I have all this water and a little bit of land. So this is a good setup. I think well, I hope. And I have two, but I don't know the other one yet. But this one right here is a looking. You can see it right there is a male, and I can't find the female. Don't know why or where it went, but I can try to find it right now. Yeah, I just really can't find her. So yeah, this is my Eastern Newts. That is my Spadefoot toad. And should I show you inside? Oh no, it's just a little container right now. But I'll show you him tomorrow once I get the finished product. And now, for the last thing is my Florida Soft Shell. I always wanted these guys, like I said in the last video, and I love them so much. I will be putting this in a 42 gallon as it gets older, but right now I have marine sand, but not the right kind of place sand for it. So yeah, that's why. And this is a small 10 gallon log, and this is him, or her, Florida Soft Shell. And thank you. Goodbye.